What's up guys, it's your girl the Daily Ms, aka Anna. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So the reason why I'm kind of like bent down in my jammies is because it is nighttime and a lot of people kind of asked me about skincare, and so I decided to basically show you guys my skincare routine. This is everything that I do, so hopefully this can be helpful for you. I know like a lot of people were asking if there are any specific products that I use and basically what my process is. So it is nighttime, I'm gonna be going to bed soon, and so I brought you into the bathroom with me, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you basically what I do to take care of my skin. So if you like this, please keep watching. So for starters, I like to do a face mask probably once a week. Of course, you can apply a face mask to your face as many times as you want during a week. I get like very lazy, but I made a rule for myself that no matter what, I have to apply a face mask at least like once a week. So I'm just gonna be using a face mask for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, so this is just gonna help purify it. The one I'm using is called a pore bubble mask, and it kind of looks like this. It's like gray. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face. This specific mask, it kind of has like a rough texture to it. Kind of feels like there's like beads in it, but then the beads are mixed with kind of like a jelly texture. It looks very dark in the bottle, but when you apply it on your face, it's very light. Like it doesn't come out as dark gray. So now I'm just gonna leave this on my face for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, and then I will start my night skincare process. So I went ahead and rinsed off the face mask. So now I'm gonna get started on my actual skincare routine. So the first step is a cleanser. Now cleansers are very important, especially like if, let's say you had your makeup on and you take it off. Cleanser would be the first step that you would use in your skincare process. It's because it's like used to remove makeup, any dead skin cells that you might have, any oil, any type of pollutants on your skin. And it also basically like keeps your pores unclogged and keeps them clear. It's also really good for preventing acne, any breakouts. You know, your skin goes through a lot in a day. It gets exposed to a lot of things in your surrounding environment throughout the day as you move along. So using a cleanser basically washes your face. It's like a shower, and it basically starts fresh. It gets rid of everything that could have been harmful to your skin. So the one that I'm going to be using is by Cetaphil. This is a 20-ounce bottle, and this one specifically is for all skin types. I have sensitive skin, so this is really good if you also have very sensitive skin. It is a mild, non-irritating formula, and it softens as it cleans. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put like a few pumps in my hands. I just went with 2, and it comes like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it into my hands, and then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Basically like applying in circular motions. You just do this for like 45 seconds. After you've kind of massaged the cleanser into your face, you can go ahead and wash it off. Just went ahead and rinsed off the cleanser, and now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is a toner. Now, toners are really good for people who have oily skin or acne prone skin. They get rid of any last traces of dirt or impurities that could be stuck on your pores. So basically anything that a cleanser misses, a toner will make sure to take care of anything else that could be left on your skin. But a toner is also like really good for the overall appearance of your skin, the texture, and also the tightness of your skin. So it definitely helps you, give you that nice youthful look. So the toner that I use is by Ole Henriksen. This is the Glow to OH Dark Spot Toner. This is a vegan-based product, so everything in here is natural. The product has a high concentration of glycolic and lactic acids, so it helps basically reduce the appearance of dark spots. Also smooths the overall texture of your skin. Also just targets any fine lines or any wrinkles that might be appearing on your face. So basically how I apply this is that I have the bottle, and then I take these cotton rounds You can get these at the dollar store. So they basically look like this. So it's like a little cotton round like that. And I'll just go ahead and I'll put a little bit of this on here. Just like that much. And then I just literally just go all over my face. And I just start kind of wiping my face with the product. And I go down to my neck as well. Now that we're done with the toner, you don't have to wash your face. You can just leave that product in your skin. That's how it basically works. Now we're gonna move on to the serums in our face. So for me personally, before I put my night cream on, I like to use kind of like a hydration mask or anything that's hyaluronic acid based. It comes in a bottle like this. This is by Santeva. It's their vitamin C serum. So this has vitamin E in it, it has vitamin C, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So it's basically helping bring moisture back to your skin, but it also helps brighten your complexion, and it really helps with hyperpigmentation, which is a problem that I have specifically. When I break out, I get like a lot of dark spots on my face. So this is really good for that. So I'm basically just gonna take it out. Comes in a bottle like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I put one dot on my forehead, one right here on my cheek, one right here on my other cheek, and then I just go ahead and put it right on my chin, and then I go in circular motions and I basically just blend it into my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my serum. So if any of you are interested in knowing what I'm using, I just recently bought a new product that I'm trying out. So the night serum that I'm going to be using is by Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. It comes out like this. It's a very soft jelly-like texture and it's light pink and it smells like watermelon. Go ahead and I just take a little bit on my fingers. And I like to just kind of rub it into my hands just to warm up the product. And then I go ahead and start applying all over my face. Now you want to go ahead and put your eye cream on. So the eye cream that I use is by Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here. And I like to just blend it in circular motions. So this product specifically is more like a moisturizer, like that's how it feels, and it's kind of yellowish, but when you actually put it on your under eye area and you blend it in, it just becomes clear, it goes away, but your face definitely does look shiny. I promise guys, we're almost done. So now that we've applied all of our serums and we went ahead and put our eye cream on, and we also kind of just took care of our imperfections, any acne marks, and we did our spot treatment, now we're gonna go ahead and basically put moisturizer on. Moisturizer is what you want to put on at the end after you've applied all of your serums, all of your eye creams, anything you do for your acne, because the moisturizer basically works as like a barrier. So it basically blocks everything in and it just holds it in place, and it kind of creates a barrier so that all of these products that you put on your face, they can just basically do their job overnight. So I've always used NIVEA. It's such a powerful moisturizer. Like if you have dry skin, like this stuff is really strong and it's going to make your skin so moisturized and so hydrated. So I just like to warm it up in my hands, and I'm just gonna like dab it into my skin. My last step is sunscreen. I'm gonna go ahead and put sunscreen on my face. I'm gonna be using this specific one by Hawaiian TROPIC. My go-to for them is actually this one. It is their Sheer Touch Lotion Sunscreen. This has 30 SPF. This is more of like a moisturizer based sunscreen, It's also UVA and UVB protection, non-greasy and oil free, but I actually just ran out of this. And take some on my hand. That's kind of like a lot. I might use a little bit less, but I didn't realize how quickly it would get on my hands. So I just kind of like rub my hands a little bit just to warm up the product, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face. This is it for the skincare routine. Yes, these are literally all the steps that I take. I do break out just like everyone else, so I don't want anyone to, you know, feel self-conscious or feel like resentment in any way, or kind of see me and think like, oh my god, like her skin is perfect. It's definitely not. I break out just like everyone. I have those horrible days, weeks, months where my skin is just like terrible, and sometimes regardless of what I do, it just doesn't get better. So I definitely know how you feel, but I think the difference between me and maybe someone else is that I actually put a lot of importance in taking care of my skin. You know, I do all these steps actively. I try to do them every single day. There are days where I don't do any of this. You know, we all get those lazy days, but for the most part, I really try to do all of this. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna make sure that I link them down in my description. So if you guys like any of these products, you can go ahead and click on the links and you can go buy them yourself. Or even if you just want to check them out, get more information on them to see if they would benefit you, go ahead and do that. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!